Do you have a passion for telling extraordinary stories? Who wouldn't want that? However, stories should be told with care. The story will be a failure if it is not. The idea is not conveyed clearly and properly. Storytelling is a skill that must be learned. Videos, especially animated videos, are hands down the best medium to tell stories. Everybody's inner child gets excited to see animated videos or cartoon characters telling stories. It's a great idea to use animated videos to tell your story. You need to create engaging, animated videos that are both captivating and affordable. We have chosen the right tool for you, trusted by more than 16 million people around the world to create animated videos. Here are 5 reasons Animaker is the best free animation software in town. Custom Character Builder 1000 plus video templates animating without drawing 100M plus stock assets adding voiceovers 1. Designer of Custom Characters Animaker offers its own character builder tool. This tool allows you to create over 1 million characters. You can create a new character by selecting a type of character, choosing a template, and customizing it to your liking. You can change everything, from your face shape to your footwear to your hairstyle and headband. You can also create a cartoon of yourself to feature in your videos. You can have your own narration and give the story a personal touch. You can create custom characters or choose from one of the hundreds of pre-built characters available in the library. You can choose from Animaker's extensive character library. To woo your viewers, you can make a cartoon video featuring them performing interesting actions. More than 1,000 plus video templates. Even though you might be the best designer in the world, you may not be able to write great content. You might also be the most talented scriptwriter, but not the one who can design perfect videos. You might be a terrible writer, but you don't have to stop using good videos. No matter what reason you have, Animaker has a long list of pre-made templates that can be used to create stunning videos. You might want to make a product explanation video that showcases the product's excellence. You might list the pain points of your customers, explain how your product solves them, and then provide a CTA at end. Or do you prefer to make an anniversary video with beautiful photos of you and your partner? No matter what topic you are working on, Animaker has the template that will work best for you. There are many categories such as corporate videos, video ads, social media videos, and wedding invitations. Animaker has a vast library of templates that can be used for any occasion. Click on any template to search for it, then preview it to see how it looks. You can then edit the text and properties to make your video. Animaker's templates library is the best option if you have limited time and want to create a video in a matter of minutes. 3. Animating without drawing. If you wish to animate a character using the traditional method, there are 3 steps to follow. Draw the character. This can be a tedious process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click on the link below to visit our website for more detailed information.